Assalamu alaikum, y'all. It's been 6 years since Hurricane Michael, and my mind has really been on my dad lately. He lived in Panama City in 2018 and was working on building a house when Hurricane Michael hit. He had complications from chemotherapy and radiation that had created scar tissue in his esophagus. And every few months or so, he would have to go to the doctor and have that scar tissue removed. Otherwise, he wouldn't be able to eat. And one of those appointments was scheduled for just after Hurricane Michael hit. And the thing they don't tell you about why you should evacuate when there's a storm is sometimes it's not the storm that kills you. In my dad's case, he lost access to his doctors. He couldn't make his medical appointments, and he had to travel and establish a new patient relationship up here in North Alabama. He tried in Huntsville, he tried in Florence, and I think he eventually did get the procedure he needed, but I'm pretty sure it was too late by the time he got it. And my dad died around Christmas Eve, 2018. I remember I left my phone at family's house when we went to visit, so I didn't get to hear about it until later. But the time it took him to establish a new patient relationship up here in Alabama was too long, I think. But it's 6 years later, and I still have to put that addendum on, I think. I mean, maybe he decided to take up drug use and overdosed. Maybe somebody beat him to death. I don't know. The state of Florida wouldn't tell me, and I didn't have enough money to stay in Florida long enough last time to find out how he died. I bought like 6 copies of his death certificate, but they couldn't put the cause of death on one of them. So, inshallah, I am hoping soon to go and find out how my dad died. Y'all keep me in your thoughts or prayers or whatever. Just, hope in the general direction of Panama City, Florida, that I can find out how my dad died. And whenever you get the opportunity, try and support universal health care or anything like it, because my dad shouldn't have died of probably starvation in 2018. People shouldn't be doing it today. Assalamu alaikum, y'all.